The review aims to bring the tax code in line with the country's economic growth and development goals. The need for a comprehensive review of the Income Tax Act, 1961, has been in place for over 6 decades, and its complexity has led to widespread criticism. The Act has undergone several amendments, but its outdated structure and provisions have failed to keep pace with the country's rapid economic growth and changing social landscape. Pre-budget session preparations. The pre-budget session preparations are underway, with the government focusing on key areas such as economic growth, inflation, and employment. The government has announced plans to increase the minimum wage for workers, improve the public transportation system, and enhance the rural infrastructure. Key initiatives: plus increasing the minimum wage for workers to 18,000 Indian rupees per month, plus improving the public transportation system through the introduction of electric buses and trains, plus enhancing rural infrastructure through the development of new roads and bridges. The government has also announced plans to reduce the corporate tax rate to 15% for small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs. The review process. The Income Tax Department has initiated a review process of the Income Tax Act, 1961, which has been in effect for over 5 decades. The review process aims to simplify the tax laws, reduce the complexity, and make the tax system more transparent and efficient. The need for simplification. The Indian government's proposed review of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act, 1996, aims to simplify the complex process of arbitration and conciliation. The Act, which governs the resolution of disputes through alternative dispute resolution (ADR) mechanisms, has been criticized for its complexity and the high costs associated with litigation. Key issues with the current Act include: plus high costs. The Act's provisions for costs and fees can be onerous, leading to increased costs for parties involved in arbitration. Plus complexity. The Act's language and procedures can be difficult to understand, leading to confusion and delays. Plus limited accessibility. The Act's provisions can be restrictive, limiting access to arbitration for certain parties, such as small businesses or individuals. The proposed changes. Sitaraman's proposal includes several key changes to the Act, aimed at simplifying the process and making it more accessible. Some of the proposed changes include simplifying the language and procedures. The government aims to make the Act's language and procedures more clear and concise, reducing the complexity surrounding litigation demands. Reducing costs. The government proposes to reduce the costs associated with arbitration, including the costs of filing and hearing. Increasing accessibility. The government aims to increase access to arbitration for all parties, regardless of their size or status. ##The benefits of simplification *. The benefits of simplification. The proposed changes to the Act are expected to have several benefits, including reduced complexity. Simplifying the Act's language and procedures will reduce the complexity surrounding litigation demands, making it easier for parties to navigate the process.